I tried Cryptocom wallet on-chain app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I decided to test the Cryptocom on-chain wallet, I thought it would just be a companion to the popular exchange. But after 7 days, the shocking truth became clear. This isn't just an extension of Cryptocom. It's a full-fledged, self-custody wallet designed for serious control and flexibility. Right from day one, the app made it clear, you own your keys, you own your crypto. Unlike the exchange wallet, this one's completely decentralized. Setup took just a few minutes, and it gave me access to a non-custodial wallet that supports over 30 blockchains from Bitcoin and Ethereum to Polygon and Chronos. Most people get this wrong, thinking the on-chain wallet is just for trading. But it's actually packed with DeFi tools like staking, yield farming, and NIF management, all accessible directly inside the app. I even connected to popular dApps with its web browser to test swapping and liquidity pooling, and it worked seamlessly. What really surprised me was how well it integrates with the main Cryptocom ecosystem. You can easily transfer assets between the on-chain wallet and your centralized account, perfect for people who want both flexibility and convenience. However, it's not without flaws. Some DeFi features still feel experimental, and beginners might find the multi-chain interface a bit confusing at first. But the trade-off is worth it for anyone who wants full control and transparency over their digital assets. By the end of 7 days, I realized the shocking truth: the Cryptocom on-chain wallet isn't just an add-on, it's a statement. It bridges the gap between with the convenience and with freedom. If you want the power of DeFi without giving up security, this might be one of the most underrated wallets on the market.